Good morning. It's 9:40, Monday the 5th. I've had worse Mondays, same on the lease. Check this place out now, it's light. Little dipping pool there, bad wet. Snare shrimp. Outside there, mosquito net. Over here, got Artie. Artie's got a Babylon's out. That's right, there's a shower. Bad wet. There's a shower. That's right. Still got a Babylon's out. Right, we're gonna go and get a bike and inquire about all this laundry. Let's do it. Fuck's sake, I'm so stupid. Pulling this cunt, look, slide it. Right. Key. It's funny, all the dogs out here, they just sort of like keep guard of like their houses. Look, they just stay out and just have a little bark at everybody as they go past. He's a good boy. He'll have a go. There's the new bad boy, Honda. Can't go wrong with a Honda. And we're just in a lovely little restaurant called
Cacao Casa.
Cacao Casa. About to get some tacks, some burritos, and whatever else. And wash it down with a lovely cool glass of freshly squeezed and blended up pineapple juice. And I'm going to go for some sparkling aqua as well, darling. How about you?
Yeah, I'm going to go for water and a iced lemon tea.
Oh my goodness. And this is our view. This is Ubud. The roads are a hell of a lot nicer to drive on than they are in that shithole Canggu. Canggu, whatever. Can you handle Canggu? Or what you gonna do? I think it's poo. But what about you? Or what you gonna do?
When they come for you.
Or what you gonna do? Or what you gonna do? She's happy today.
I'm always happy. When have I not?
There you go, happy though, ain't you?
What?
There you go, smashed up, when you go.
What are you doing with your face?
Oh, just doing my finger and my tongue.
You're doing those things where you get more lines on your forehead.
Alright.
Like that.
Oh, yep, we are indeed.
Can I get ice lemon tea or sugar? Sugar?
Om nom nom. Oh no, mate, bloody cool. Look at it. Bounce, bounce. Come on, bounce. Say, come on, bounce. Everybody in the house with a half an ounce on that mean word compliment. Sit down. Yeah. Just flicking it about like a big man.
That's so cool. I've never seen anything like that.
Yeah. Bounce, bounce. Look at it. Flicking it. Bounce and flick it. What does that thing do, don't I? I thought he was carrying something at first. And there you have it. Eat nachos, see a bit of nature. Welcome to
We're
Ubud.
going to sit cinnamon after Ubud.
Oh, mate.
And then
Packed up in the nachos. Here we are at the monkey forest. We go and see all of Artie's mates now, so she can say hello whilst we're over here. Look at this little fucker there. It's like Slimer. That's two of them. Alright, boys. How you doing? Alright? Yeah.
it's not even bothered by us, huh?
Yeah.
160,000.
Here we are, monkey forest. It's all happening.
Look at all these vines coming together.
Oh,
What's that, Dave?
the big Babylon. Babylon. Hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil. There we go. It's a game of rock, paper, scissors. Well, don't move, man. Shows who is supposed around, okay?
Sì, le banane mi piacciono per davvero. Right, full face, full straight is that. Full straight is that. Full straight is that. Full straight is that. Yeah, how do you like?
Slippery. Right, do you want to fuck that bit off then? Then you've got to walk up with that, you know. Careful, you get down low, yeah. Get down low so you can save yourself with your hands.
Go check it out.
Hello. So very. Oh, nothing. Would have been someone's dwelling many moons ago. Have a look for the camera, darling. Oh, well done. There's a waterfall for you, darling. Oh, what a day.
Give me a food.
Really? Okay. Say hello, Cadu.
Hello.
We made it. Bit wet. Completely soaked. Now it's time to wait until sunrise. So Cadu, where the sun come up? Just here, yeah? Okay. Great view.
Thank you.
Is it warm, yeah? Feel that for a sec. Oh, wow. Amazing.
You want to go there?
Yeah, let's go there. I just said I need to organise it.
Good boss. This is the place where you are. Yeah. It's hot there. Like this part, you can feel it. Inside, full inside.
Usually weekend when and later the water you can see there later the water.
The actual water for the... Wow, okay, cool.
No, it's not.
Oh, wow.
Can it work without the cigarette?
Yep.
If you do just like that?
No.
Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
because without smoking and
There we can make a video.
no more
You're making it nice.
smoke yet. Maybe you wanna try?
Try it again.
Okay, maybe there. Or here.
I'll try it.
Oh, sorry. Oh.
You need to... Actually...
Oh. Asli lipuk leh, menyet nek. Apa colok?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah.
You want to try it?
Maybe you wanna try?
Okay. Film it. Just get it at an angle so it can... like that.
Okay.
Okay, nice. Thank you.
Like that.
No, you have
Oh
to,
no, sorry.
Dave, not like that.
No, not like that.
You have to blow the cigarette.
Oh, like that?
Yeah.
No problem.
Oh, you magician also.
Why does that happen?
Like this, because the fire connect with the magma inside, and then make more smoke coming.
It connects with what?
Connect with the magma inside.
Ah, the magma. But it doesn't work if you just smoke.
Yeah, no, just a smoke. Like,
If you do, the smoke doesn't work.
no.
Look me.
Be careful.
I'm trying to fart in it. It's nearly there.
More.
David.
Look at that, big smoke now.
Wait.
What should do with that?
Don't throw it. Don't throw it. Hold it. He'll do it on the other one.
Yeah.
Water.
Oh.
Coffee. Your coffee. There.
Yeah.
Water from here.
Oh wow, that's amazing. Brilliant.
This is from the steam, right?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So,
But sometimes someone bring the water also from the bottom. Not always from here.
Yeah.
But your coffee there from this from
Nice.
here.
okay, great.
Yeah, it's completely clean, eh?
Yeah.
But need maybe until tomorrow will the water until here.
Ah,
Okay.
okay.
It's a long
Takes a
process.
long time.
yeah.
Yeah.
This is what they used to.
Water,
Oh.
coffee, your coffee. There.
Yeah.
Water from here.
Oh wow, that's amazing. Brilliant.
This is from the steam, right?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So,
But sometimes someone bring the water also from bottom. Not always from here.
Yeah.
But your coffee there from this, from here.
okay, great.
Yeah, it's completely clean, eh?
Yeah.
But need maybe until tomorrow will the water until here.
Okay.
It's a long
Takes a
process.
long time. Yeah. Brilliant.
This is what they used to
Amazing.
do years ago,
And the last time, 2000, and there is a far from here and the last eruption. But not so big for the last.
It is very big.
And the big, I think 1,000, 1,900. Almost 1,900. Around the moon.
Do you remember?
Small, not active.
Okay.
Was it scary when it erupted?
Was it scary? Were you scared? Yeah?
Yeah.
Because you live around here?
I live with us.
Okay.
So did everybody run?
Not here. No, for people here, not just
On that side.
Oh, okay.
Some a lot of people stay here from there when eruption.
Wow.
Maybe you know Ubud from here. Ubud is there, yeah, from here. Ubud.
This here on the
Or that side.
on that side.
That side.
Okay.
Over the hill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, yeah. Different, yeah, to do fire.
This is amazing. I'm fascinated.
Yeah, it's amazing. How long does it take to boil an egg?
Maybe just 10 minutes.
10 minutes, yeah? Wow.
Because also inside very hot here,
Yeah, yeah.
but not here. No.
Over there, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. You can boil an egg there though, can't you? Definitely. Wow. Amazing. Smells nice. No. Yeah. Volcano smells nice.
Oh, this is lovely.
Wow. Shall we walk up here? Or
Sorry?
should we walk?
Oh no,
No?
we walk.
We walk. We go back down now. Yeah.
You're not ready.
No, it's just don't know how much time or whatever. Yeah.
Good luck.
Okay.
Nice.
Do it one more time because you don't know when you're gonna blow a volcano ever again.
Okay.
Yeah.
One more time.
Yeah. Blow it really good. Steam glasses. Have a look. Face me when you do it. Do it one more time. Get your head right in there. Oh.
Can you feel a warm
Yeah.
in your face?
And my glasses. Look, I should.
Oh yeah.
Let me try.
Yeah.
Like this.
One time you blow anything.
I have another fart coming.
Oh no. David.
Doesn't work.
Try it without the stick.
A little bit of smoke.
Not really.
Hardly anything. Shazam. Amazing. Smells nice. No. Yeah. Volcano smells nice.
Oh, this is lovely.
Wow.
Peak, right? Yeah. Oh, someone's blowing incense.
Ajak nangak guna apa orang eh. Ra, Rick, Ra, dia beli jadwal sini aja. Bener kan?
She told me you were left, but I told you left. I'm ready. Let's go. I was waiting for them. J'ai dormi longtemps? Non. Ok. 2 minutes. Je
Je pas gonflé quand même.
Ça avait l'air si paisible pour le que ça va bien.
Huh?
Your pants are on show everywhere.
My pants. Put some jackets and stuff in a carrier bag now.
Sorry?
Put these jackets in a carrier bag.
Why?
Well, 'cause it's not cold anymore, is it?
Right now. This is how it is, yeah?
Tu dormi longtemps?
Non.
Ok. Je vais ronfler quand même.
Ça avait l'air si paisible pour le que ça va bien.
Cool. Morning, Ray. Just having a do, hiking up a volcano first thing in the morning. Have a little look. Morning, Ray. It's 20 to 8 in the morning here. Set off on a 3 a.m. hike up to this volcano. It's an active volcano. There's another 2 out there. It's having a do. I thought Ray'd love this. It's wicked. See all this steam coming out here. So it's hot. So they've been boiling us eggs and bananas and makes us a cup of tea and hot chocolate and stuff, just using the steam coming out of the volcano still. Not a bad view, eh? We watched the sunrise. Sunrise here. It's just so it was pitch black when we come up here. Just having a do. Get it down, yeah. Lovely. Here's I need a poo now. And the only toilets they got are those ones you got to fucking squat over. And they're all the way down there. So I might have to do a wild one. Wild poo.
Can we go now, dude?
Sure. Okay. You all ready? Just had to have a poo on a volcano, wild style, no toilet paper. This would be a first for me, having a poo on a volcano. Some would call it some inspirational shit, if you saw the view that we had. You running around, eh? Now we've got to walk up that one. Right.
Oh my god.
Wow, that's where we were this morning.
I took a bike.
Yeah. You were still up there though.
I still did some of it. The flag is where was that?
Sorry?
The flag.
Oh, that's
That's where we just walked up to. Hey! Yeah, I was dancing, yeah. Oh. We're good, let's go.
Okay.
Thanks again, my man. All right, take care, all right?
He'll put your video on Instagram.
All right, take care, my man. All the best.
on the trekking there, because since the
All right, we'll figure it out. What's the... Oh, mate. We're set, ready to relax the muscles. Check out this slide there.
Yeah.
Why not? Better. Do you? Let me try with my hands in your hair.
Don't you dare.
No?
No? What?
Stay there. You can turn around now and smile or whatever if you want. Better.
Swallow the coffee cherry.
I ain't gonna get too close to you. Okay, you get back to sleep.
We put the cage
Oh, look at his
because
face.
of we
Hey.
to protect our guests as well. But sometimes they are losing it.
You gonna make some coffee today? Yeah, you've been busy.
They are fat.
They're fat?
Yeah, they're fat. So they will taking care. But they're not only taking the coffee, but coffee that they love is one with the red color.
Okay.
They eat and then the fermented one. Now this is the herbs. Ginger, turmeric,
Yes.
the clove,
Cloves.
black pepper, white pepper. This is a normal coffee.
Okay.
For making chocolate powder and chocolate bar. So it's clean already but not roasted yet. So if you want to smell it, the smell is not too strong. It's not comes up. And this is we have the coffee bean. Okay, this all we mix between Arabica and the Robusta.
Okay.
But you can see the Robusta they have the small beans. It's round. This is the Arabica beans. This is oval. But the Robusta they have the round beans. It's more smaller than this. So in here we have two types of coffee beans. We call it male coffee and then female coffee. It's from the same plant of the coffee. For the male coffee, this around it look like this. They have only single bean inside in the red tree. For the female coffee, they have two flat beans. Just look like this. Double bean. But for the taste, male is more stronger than the female coffee. I mean, male is more bitter than the female coffee. In here, we just mix it to make it the Bali coffee, Arabica coffee. It's always the same, Arabica and then This is we have the special coffee. So this coffee is from the poo of the animal, from the Luwak. You can see the animal in the cage.
Yeah.
This is how the poo of the animal is like.
All right.
So the poo they still have a whole bean because the animal they just swallow it the bean. They only chew the shell of the coffee. This is after we clean. So we need to wash by hot water, and then we take off the shell like this. So one by one in here we do all by hand.
Yeah.
We don't use any machine. And after we get the beans, we need to wash again by hot water, and then we dry. It's very clean. It's because the shell they covering the coffee beans in it, and the coffee beans it doesn't contact with the poo. If you're not try later, maybe don't worry and I'm thinking about the poo.
Okay. Okay.
That's how we roasted the coffee. You need to roast it around 45 minutes until an hour.
Yeah.
Let the color change to be black like that. And the second step to make it the powder you put in here, we crush it.
Yeah.
It's maybe around 30 minutes. And then we sifting.
Yeah. I see.
So this powder is ready to use. In here we make it the coffee, we don't use any filter machine. Just put the powder into the cup and the cup. Maybe you want Balinese style.
Very nice.
You want to do the roasting coffee?
I do. I really need the toilet really badly.
Sure.
Yeah.
We have the rest. This side.
I can't. I'm really interested. I'm just. Oh, just here. Thank you.
I will prepare you some pasta.
Thank you.
Minum api.
You get complimentary for tasting, except only the special coffee. This is the Luwak coffee. If you like to try, we'll charge you 50,000 if you have.
Okay.
And then, so this coffee and tea we put in here, but to easy remember, yeah? So this lemongrass tea, this is good for skin. So this one, red rice tea, you can eat the rice, is good for bone, high calcium. Ginger tea is good for sore throat and stomach problem. Rosella tea is good for blood circulation, blood pressure. So this one, saffron mixed with the curcuma, good for immune system. Mangosteen tea good for cancer, repel antioxidant and control cholesterol. So this one, hot chocolate. So this is the avocado coffee. So this is ginseng coffee. This is good for energy. So this is coconut coffee. Mochaccino, Bali coffee and chocolate. So this is the vanilla coffee. And the last one, regular Bali coffee without sugar, good for headache. Yeah? So
Okay.
please enjoy to drink.
Great. Thank you.
Tuhan, ampun ngopi, kamu balik kan. You know, like we really, pet them now and then make them have good population.
Okay.
So it's helping the farmer a lot for the coffee.
Good conservation program.
Yeah. If we not put in the cage in this farmer, so it will be very difficult to show the guests what is Luwak about.
Yeah.
It's not only the picture,
Yeah.
So that's why one farming they can only maximum have this animal in the cage is like five animals. It's the island in Kalimantan or Sumatra have this type of animal.
Oh, they're native here. Not anywhere else.
No animal underneath.
Right. What kind of powder?
The coffee powder.
Oh, so you just pour it in and that's it. You don't
that's
stir.
it.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
You stir it first and then let it down.
Oh, and then
let
it didn't.
Yeah.
Okay, it rests
And
to
then
the
that
bottom.
powder, do you put more water in it or no?
No, sometimes we use the powder.
Here's my
Some
first
of
ever
the
Luwak
ladies
coffee.
Have it for the skin. Yeah, for the scrub.
Alright, look. So we've got some Luwak, which is the bad boy, most expensive coffee in the world. And then we've got some ginseng, which is lovely as well,
For energy.
for energy and anti-aging. And then we've got some avocado.
Who would have thought, eh?
Who would have thought? Avocado coffee is delicious. It's going straight in my basket. These big bowls. Big bowls. Check the pineapples. White pepper. Nah.
Yeah, it'll grow in here.
Yeah.